WIX away from Ventura County. Thank you for the relay. I copied you about a 5 by 6 or 5 or 7 maybe. And I hear little bits and pieces of Ken in there, so I do recognize his voice every once in a while.
Oh my gosh, yeah. No kidding. No kidding.
Yeah, very good. M6WIX, K6ZA for relay for W6HK. And Ken, yeah, he does copy me, but you're right, the propagation is short and he's not copying you.
Oh, there we go.
Barefoot with an inverted Z. So that's his conditions there. And otherwise, for the relay, he indicates W6HK, K6ZA.
Good boy, good girl. Hi guys. Good boy, good girl. Hi guys, hi guys.
Certainly not copyable. And then he faded back down and said nothing to. So appreciate your stepping in there, Perry, and giving a relay. And man, are you strong down here? Strongest signal on the net. So appreciate your checking in.
This is a remote base.
Your participation in this net.
On UHF.
Okay, this is W6HK, County of Ore Tracings for the 40-meter ACS net. And we'll now go through a roll call of the non-MCOM members inside and outside Orange County. And always appreciate your check-in. Good break.
They're such good doggies.
They are. Good boy, good girl.
I'm good.
Sadie, come on, say hello. Sadie, good girl. Good girl. Let me know.
You're a very good doggy. Not like mine. Yes, you're a very good doggy. Yes. Very good doggy. Yeah, oh, I can tell. You're the dominant one, right?
Good boy, good boy. Easy boy, easy boy.
These are Dalmatians?
Yeah,
Where'd you get them?
rescue.
Huh?
Both of them, rescue. From shelters. Yeah.
I know where to get these batteries at a discount if you ever want one.
Sears?
Yeah.
Sears, huh?
No.
Oh.
It's a burglar alarm place. They sell them at burglar alarm places.
Okay.
And I got a wholesale deal.
Good, good. Yeah, sounds great. Thank you. I'm surprised you didn't bring your, what is it, the generator.
No?
No?
No, we just want, I mean, this will last all weekend.
Yeah, QRP, right? QRP.
Yeah, this is totally QRP.
Yeah.
Oh, he snagged the tree.
He did?
Yeah, way up here.
Oh, wow.
Did you lose it?
Negative on Teed. He's usually in there. Okay, that completes our roll call. So W6HK will now stand by for any late county or city races or other members
Did you
of the
check in?
roll call,
Yeah, you can
late or
check in.
missed. This is
what's your
W6HK,
guess?
net control.
Pick up the mic over there.
Okay.
Kilo 7, Tango X-ray. W6ONT got you. There was another station in there that we'll pick up very shortly.
Very cool.
Ed, you're 4x4. 4x4 and how's light signal doing?
Hey guys, hi guys, hi guys. Good boy. Good girl.